tired of the same boring CRM with limited features? And are you tired of paying that monthly subscription for your CRM? Well, HEFFL CRM will be the game changer for your business. Not only is HEFFL CRM packed with features, but you'll also be able to pay a one-time fee. Stick around and be sure to watch this tutorial to the end as I have a special offer for you. The first thing I want you to do is head to the link in the description, tap on that link, and sign up. You can get started for completely free, and then follow me as we go through step by step setting it up. Once on the main dashboard, I want you to tap on Get Started for free. After selecting Get Started, you can choose to sign up with your name, email address, and password. I'm going to be signing up using my email address, so I'll do that real quick. After you have tapped on Continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can add in your company name. So I'm going to leave it at Jason Tutorials. Then after doing that, you can enter in your mobile number. Then you can select the size of your team and also the country. After doing that, you can upload your company logo right here. So I'm going to be leaving that blank. Then you can choose the category that you're in. And by the way, you can combine all of these. So for example's sake, let's say you're a company that also offers field service and you want a CRM that mixes in field service, sales, and also other features. You can do that with HEFFL CRM. I'll be showing you how to do that. But let's say for example's sake, I were to select retail. After selecting retail, how did you hear about us? I'm just going to be selecting Google. Then select your apps. So I want access to the CRM, sales, purchases. I also want projects. And I'm going to also select services and automations and form. Then we are going to tap on next. This is where you'll be able to invite your team members by entering their email address. You can do that now or you can leave that until later on. Then we'll just tap on complete setup. After selecting complete setup, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. With HEFFL CRM, you'll be given 15 days free trial as you can see right here. Now to get started, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option. And this is where you can see the different features that you are given when it comes onto this platform. The first thing you can do when you are over on the left-hand menu option is add in your customer information. So you could select customers. After selecting customers, you can add your first client by tapping on Add Your First Client. Or you can go over to the top right hand corner, tap on Import. And from there, you could import your clients if you have clients already preset. So we could tap on Add. And you can add either business or individual. And you can quickly fill in their information. Next thing you can also do is by going over to the left hand menu option, you can tap on CRM. And this is where you'll get all of the CRM features. For example, you'll be able to add your first lead, you'll be able to set up deals, goals, and you can also monitor clients and contacts. But when it comes on to HEFFL CRM, the reason why it stands out compared to other platforms is these features. Not only do you get the basic CRM features, but you also get the sales option. And what does this mean? You'll be able to create quotations, create invoices, create pro forma. You can also accept payments and you can create your product right here or products that you offer. And this is a definite standout feature compared to other basic CRMs. So for example, you could tap on products. After selecting product, you can tap on add product and you can give your product a name. Then we can set the price for the product. After setting the price, from there you can select the product type, whether it be service or product, and you can put in the SKU depending on the type of product that you're offering, and you can also put in an internal description. Then you'll simply tap on add product, and that's how you'll be able to create your first product right there. And as I said earlier, you can create invoices and pro forma. You can also create recurring invoices if you want by selecting recurring invoices. And by scrolling down, you can see different options. You can select purchase. And from there, you can set up purchase orders, you can add in your expenses, vendors, bills, and so on. And you can also tap on projects and you can monitor the tasks, you can create recurring projects. There are numerous features that you can use. You could also add in your timesheet. So you'll be able to monitor your employees. So you can add in timesheet option. And if it is the case that you have a job or you offer mixed things, for example, let's say you have office work and you also offer field service, for example, landscaping or so on, you also have the option of using field service where you'll be able to schedule jobs from this platform. So it is definitely multifaceted and it is perfect for practically any industry. You can also upload files and keep your files safely onto this platform. You can also set up automations as you can see right here. And by automations, I mean what you would like to happen next. So for example, let's say whenever you create a customer, you would like, for example, it to automatically be assigned to a particular sales rep or so on. You'll be able to do that with the automation. And don't worry, I'll be doing another tutorial showing you a full walkthrough of how to use the different features of this platform. But this is just a quick overview. Now let's talk about the pricing. When you go onto HEFFL's pricing page, as you can see right here, you'll be able to combine all of the different features. For example, you can combine their CRM feature by tapping on Add to Bundle. You can also select projects and you could tap on Add to Bundle. Then you could select field service and select Add to Bundle. Or you can select one individual service that you would like to use. Now, the option that I'll be giving you is even better than this. All you need to do is tap the link in the description. From there, it is going to carry you to AppSumo. And with AppSumo, you'll be able to get a lifetime deal. What do I mean by a lifetime deal? This means that you will only need to pay once and you'll get access to the platform forever. So for example, the Tier 1 option costs $49 and that will be lifetime access. So if your company only has 2 users, or for example, if you're a solopreneur, this may be the option for you. You'll be able to set up automations. You'll get 5 automations. You'll also get custom fields, as you can see, AI voice logs, project pipelines, and so on, and also storage. For $49, you'll have it forever. If we were to go onto Tier 2, which I would say is a better option, you'll be able to add 5 users. So depending on the size of your business, I would recommend, for example, you start off, if it is a case that you don't need free service, you could start off at Tier 3. If it is a case that you need field service, I would recommend that you just use Tier 4 and you'll get unlimited access to numerous options. You'll be able to add up to 20 users and you'll get access to all of the features of HEFFL CRM. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.